Good morning, South Mississippi. Meteorologist Chase Menendez here, enjoying what's going to turn out to be a beautiful day after kind of a chilly start this morning. We expect highs to get to about 69 degrees with some relatively moderate winds out of the south, about 8 to 12 miles an hour. Now, overnight, we are going to see the cloud cover start to increase. Of course, right now on the WLOX 24/7 radar, not seeing any of that yet. But as far as temperatures go, right now, Bay St. Louis about 60 degrees, Biloxi 57, Pascagoula 62, and Perkinston 53. But take a look at these dew points over here. Pretty close to matching the temperatures, and that means we're working with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. And that's really what I'm talking about when I say we might see some fog and a lot of clouds overnight. And those are all going to be driven by this high pressure system off to our east, of course, spinning clockwise, and that's going to bring in some of this Gulf moisture into the Mississippi Gulf Coast region. We're going to start to see a lot of moisture, which means clouds, fog, all that kind of stuff, and higher temperatures, of course. So right now on the satellite and radar, you can start to see some patchy fog, a little low hanging clouds around I-20. Not as much on the immediate coast yet, but that is going to change in the overnight hours. Right now, temperatures in Pascagoula about 58, Gulfport 61, Bay St. Louis 63, and we do have some warmer temperatures over here to our west. Macomb at 58, Jackson at 59 already, and as that air starts to push through to the east as the days goes on, we're going to start to increase our temperatures as well. So also the winds are going to help drive some of that. Now we do have winds out of the south in Macomb, shooting north, Jackson 12 miles an hour. On the coast, we see some winds actually moving to the west, about 9 miles an hour in Gulfport, 3 miles per hour in Pascagoula, and really that's going to carry over to our Egg Bowl forecast where we've got some pretty high winds, south-southwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're going to see the temperature about 63 degrees this afternoon for kickoff, and of course, stay tuned to the WLOX 24/7 weather app and follow me on Twitter at Chase Storms, and I'll keep you updated. Like us on Facebook to get all those notifications. We'll give you all the weather updates you can handle. Golden Nugget Tower Cam showing pretty clear skies. IP Casino Resort and Spa Tower Cam, pretty similar. We're starting to see a little cloud cover rolling in, and we can also see that on the Futurecast. By about this evening, things are going to be pretty clear. But look, overnight on Saturday, clouds start to roll in out of the south because of that high pressure we talked about earlier. Overnight Sunday is really when we're going to see the highest cloud chances. So Sunday, 9 a.m. is really when things are going to be pretty cloudy. And that's going to help keep our temperatures warm overnight. Today, we do expect 60 degrees in Biloxi, highs in the mid-upper 60s. On the interior, a little warmer, about low 70s. Again, those temperatures are going to stay warm because of that cloud cover as far as the overnight lows go. 58 in Biloxi, 57 in Gulfport. A lot warmer than it was last night, isn't it? Wiggins, 54 degrees. Poplarville, about 53 degrees. Here's a look at your marine forecast. We're pretty calm out there. Light winds, low seas, 1 to 2 feet. Here's a look at your tides. And on the 7-day, we're going to see temperatures start to warm up. 72 degrees into the into the upper 60s, and lows in the mid to upper 50s all week. Thanks for watching. I'm Chase Menendez. Good afternoon, Starkville. Meteorologist Chase Menendez here with your Campus Connect forecast. Now, it is going to be a warm day today, and we've got actually a couple warm days in store for us before temperatures finally drop off. And that's thanks to all this sunshine that we're seeing. There are a couple clouds rolling in from the west, and as we zoom out, we can see places like Oklahoma City, Dallas, really seeing some of that heavy cloud cover, and that's going to filter into our area in Starkville over the next couple of days. But for now, pretty sunny, and that's what's keeping our temperatures pretty warm. So we are going to see some pretty warm days ahead, and we are also going to see a cold front coming through that's going to give us some rain and drop our temperatures off and make it finally feel like December should. On the Junction Cam, seeing pretty clear skies. Actually, a couple of clouds, but mostly clear, and temperatures are pretty high. 73 degrees right now in Starkville, and most of the area is seeing temperatures a lot like that. 73 in Ackerman, 72 in Eupora, and 69 in Pontotoc and New Albany are the low temperatures, but even those are pretty warm for early December. Now, the average for today is about 59 degrees, and we're sitting at 73 again, so that's, again, quite warm. But look at this record, 77 degrees. We're getting close. We haven't made it there yet, but we are getting there. And we are going to see some clouds start to roll in, as I said. So as we go into the overnight hours, some of those rain chances start to pick up. Places like Houston, Aberdeen might see a couple of stray showers here and there. And as we go into the Friday morning hours, all those clouds are starting to roll in from places like Texas and Oklahoma. Coffeyville might see a couple of stray showers. Coffeyville, Winona, Eupora could see a couple of stray showers before places like Starkville, West Point, and Columbus. But when we get to Friday evening, that's when the rain is really going to start to pick up. Those clouds are going to turn into rain chances. Aberdeen starting to get cloudy over here on the east, but most of those places, most of those cities and towns on the west are going to start to see rain. And then when we get into Saturday early morning hours, the rest of our area is going to start to see the rain pick up. Ackerman, Louisville could see some pretty significant rain, although nothing severe. As we look at the rainfall totals, we can start to see a few isolated showers coming in from the south, but as we go into Saturday, is really when the rain's going to pick up. Places like Pontotoc, 1.6 inches. Now, our northern counties are going to see more rain than our southern counties. Look, Eupora at half an inch. So anywhere from an inch to maybe an inch and a half is likely for most of the northern counties. Look at Starkville over here at 0.36 inches. So it could be about half an inch in Starkville. It could be a little more or a little less. We'll have to see that as that develops. But northern counties likely to get more rain. Now tonight it's going to be pretty mild. We're not expecting the rain to come through tonight again. 56 degrees, but we do have wind coming out of the southeast, and that's going to pump in the moisture and allow for those rain chances in the north especially to really pick up and give us some rain. Now 50% rain chance tomorrow, and that's going to be later in the evening as we saw earlier on the predictor. And again, those winds are going to remain the same, bringing in the moisture. Now once that cold front does pass through, we are going to see the temperature start to drop off a little bit. Saturday 66 and Sunday 57, but look at Tuesday and Wednesday 52 and 53, and these lows are really starting to drop off. 38 and 34 degrees on Monday and Tuesday. It's finally getting cold. Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Chase Menendez.